That's where I camped 3 days ago. Rivers come right up, I would have been underwater. That's where I was. Lucky to get out of there. Right, go fishing now. Glad I'm not there. Oh yeah! Fish on, Tratty. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think so. No, he's a cracking yellow belly. It's huge. He's a nice fish. He's 40 odd. Anyway, he's going back in. There he is. Good fish, good yellow. There. In you go, mate. Away he goes. Nice yellow belly, don't worry about that. He's a ripper.
What would he be? Maybe 40, maybe?
Oh, he's willing to hide.
But where we are, like we've pulled a fair few yellow belly out of this. Like we've been down here all morning fishing it, and then we didn't get a thing, and then it's just certainly come on. Let's release him. He gone. Nice.
That was good. I might go and have some lunch, eh?
I reckon.
There him. Pulled up at me table. Chair and table. Unbelievable. Oh! Fish on, Tratty! Tratty! Fish on! Yeah. Well, I was. Yeah, I'm on. Little cod. Little cod, little fella. I'm gonna let you go, mate. Just sit. There he is there.
Righto.
Good little cod. Righto, he's going back. There he goes. Wild and free. My campsite right there. She's all underwater. Way under. You can't even see the rocks. Okie doke. I'm glad I'm not there now. Snake right there, look. Can you see? Black snake right there. In there, in that tree there. There he goes, look at him. Right into the log there. It's the same spot. Seen that black snake the other day, and there he is, shed his skin. Oh, fish on here. Oh dear. Oh yeah. Fish on. Know what it is. Oh. Oh. Good yeller, I think. Oh no, that's a cod. She's a Murray cod. Oh, good looking cod, this fella. Nice little cod. Anyway, there it is. He's getting washed up here. Whoa. Nice cod. Nice cod. First cod of the trip. Rightio. We'll let him go back in. Righto, righto. Away he goes. As soon as we're in the Macquarie, wild and free. Very good. Bloody hell. That was good. Good bit of start. Very good. Right, what's going on here? Righto. Got to get myself organised a bit here. Bloody current's washing me away. Right, we'll have another go here. That's the spot. Oh, another one. Oh, oh, what's this one? Oh, oh, another cod. That was my first cast after that last one. That's unreal. Easy swallowed that, big time. That's the first cast. 2 casts, 2 cod. Right. Okie doke. He's out. Now, I've got to get the bloody hooks out of his mouth. That lays out. Right, that's good. Second Murray cod for the trip. 2 casts, 2 cod. Whoa, booyah. Like it. Oh, oh, I like it all right. Got a fish on there, but he got me under a bloody snag. He got me under a log, this fish. So I'm in a bit of trouble here. Don't know what to do. I'm on. But so is he on a log. So I might have to go see how we play out this. See what happens. See if he wants to come back. Go back over this way. No, he's under a log. Don't know what he's gonna do. Give him line. Oh yeah. Oh, he's there. He's a little, oh, he's a cod. Oh, he's a cod. He's playing up a bit. He's on board. That's the third cod for the day. This one's taking a little longer than the others. He's a nice little fish. Just the same. Right. This is the third one today. Right, now that's a bit of a bummer. Don't know what I'm going to do there. Get that out, I don't want that in my leg. Right there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I want to let you go. Right there he is. Third Murray cod for the day. He's alright. Now we'll let him go. Back in here. Away he goes, wild and free. Well, that took some getting. Oh, yes, I got a fish on here. Oh, I think he got me under a bloody log. Another one under a log. Ah, under a snag all the time. Pull him back, see if I can. No. Oh, he's a little baby cod. Little baby cod. Oh. Can you get off yourself without being naughty? Let's see if I can let him go. There he is anyway. Nice little Murray cod. Fourth one. Come on, mate. There he goes. Back in the Macquarie, swims away wild and free. Fourth cod for the day. That was very good. Only a little tacker. But he's a nice little fish just the same. Ooh. Oh. Got a hit. Oh, he's on. Yeah, he's on. Well, I think he's still on. That's the 5th hook up for the day. Oh yeah. Could be yellow this, I think. Oh yeah, it is a yellow belly. Oh, he's a little dandy. 5th fish for the day. And it's a yellow. Yellow belly. Here's that little yellow you see me catch just a minute ago. 5th fish for the day. First yellow. Full cod. Anyway, that'll do me. I'm going to head home and take this fella for a feed, a tea. Anyway, all good. If you like what you've seen, please subscribe and of course give it a big old thumbs up. Catch us on the flip side.